People have been begging me to remake the world-famous chocolate chip cookies from Levain Bakery. Bro, I would need to go all the way to New York to try them before I did that. Logically, obviously, I'm like, yeah, let's go.
Alright guys, so someone actually requested this video that I bring the right video to 11 chocolate chip cookies, and I was like so much stressed getting the video, but I was very lucky. I found a video on Joshua Weissman channel, and more luckily for me, it has this kind of my other model, cooking model, and that's babish. Alright, so you know this bingy with babish. So I think this video is kind of one super video I ever watched, and this is one of the best reaction videos I ever got on this channel. And shout out to that person who actually requested this video. So you can also go into my comment section, tell me which country you're watching from, and tell me your kind of food you think I'm missing on this channel. So I'm going to get right back to you in less than 24 hours, and if possible, get you the right videos to that specific kind of food. Alright, based on your request. So let's just get going. I just want to see my bigger variation.
Is it bad if I've never done one before?
Well, we're going now, so it's never too late, okay? It's never too late.
It's fine.
11 years ago now that I had my first levain cookie.
11 years
This is
ago.
a New York staple at this point. I don't know what kind of cookie you're into, but this is basically a ball of warm cookie dough with a vaguely crispy exterior. Thick bastard. This is a thinking man's cookie.
Yes, I like that. I like that.
This car doesn't go 0 to 60 that fast, but it'll move.
Oh shit. People literally ride either the line or a quarter into your lane, and then everybody just kind of, they're like, that's fine. And I'm like, this is not fine. Shut up.
Okay, we're here in the beautiful Upper West Side at the original levain
Levain
bakery.
Bakery.
Levain Bakery. I keep calling it cookie bakery. One of each cookie, please.
One of each cookie?
Yeah. Okay. Pay dirt.
That's my boy.
Let's dig into one of these moles.
Oh, look at the bottom. Looks great.
There's caramelization on there.
You almost took my thumb off.
Can I break this?
Wow. Yeah.
God.
Against the odds.
I'm actually glad that happened.
Oh,
that was a little sad. Wow.
It's not exactly how I described it to you.
No, it's just a lot better than I thought. Blowing my mind how good this is. Also having this like thicker texture is like you maintain sort of gooey, liquidy chocolate. That won't happen with a normal cookie.
They probably go pretty light on the baking soda, baking powder, richness, maybe more egg yolks, maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. It's kind of a well-guarded secret. So you're gonna try to recreate this at home?
I think I can do it.
So everybody in the world can experience this.
Wow.
It's your turn too.
Let's see this, guys. It's gonna be interesting.
Well, that was fun. Now we're back in town, and I think we're ready to take on this challenge. Before we even get started, I just want to say a quick thank you to Binging with Babish. Andrew, thank you. We appreciate you. We love you, and we kiss you. And one more thing, I have a collab video that went up on Babish's channel. There will be a link in the description. Be sure to go click that and watch it. It's bread. You know, you like that. Alright, so not to flex, but I actually got this right on the first try.
Oh, I
so
love that guy.
I'm flexing. Couple important notes here. The chocolate that you're using, you want it to be relatively dark, like 60 to 70% cacao, so make sure that that's on the board. No milk chocolate. The second thing that you want is you want to use cake flour. No all-purpose flour. I don't want to hear substitutions. Please use cake flour. You know how I feel about that cake. So you're going to start off with 1 1/4 cup or 280 grams of unsalted butter. Bring it to a melt. Wait, no. You know what I mean. Set that to the side and let it cool a little bit. Then rough chop 1 pound or 450 grams of dark chocolate, like a lot. You want it to look like this, sort of some randomized pieces, some big, some small, some tiny, you know, yeah. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 1.5 cups or 230 grams of cake flour and 2 cups or 275 grams of all-purpose flour. 1.5 teaspoons or 5 grams of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons or 8 grams of cornstarch, and 1/2 teaspoon or 6 grams of baking soda. Give that some whiskey. To stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment, and yes, you can do this by hand in a regular bowl with a whisk, don't worry. Add 1 1/4 cup or 285 grams of brown sugar, light brown sugar, and 1/2 cup or 115 grams of white granulated sugar. Be Begin whisking that on medium speed and then slowly stream in your butter. Whisk that all together until it looks nice and creamy like this. Then to that, 1 egg at a time, you're going to add 2 eggs, followed by 3 egg yolks, making sure to incorporate them in between each egg, of course. And once you get a nice, smooth, homogeneous little thing going
So
on
eggs,
here,
then
switch to
3
the pedal
egg
attachment,
yolks.
and then mix in your flour mixture. Don't forget to spill a bunch of flour all over the place when you're pouring it into your mixer, because for some reason mixers are built this way in such a way that you always spill flour. I don't know. I'm blaming the mixer instead of myself. That's just how it goes. Once your dough is nice and smooth, go ahead and fold in 2 cups or 165 grams of rough chopped walnuts. I'd recommend toasting your walnuts, by the way, and your chopped chocolate. And also, maybe don't do this in the machine because it's a little bit rough on your machine. So, and there you go. There's your nice little cookie dough. Now, number 1 tip with these: if you want them to be tall, you need to chill these. So wrap them up and put them in your refrigerator for at least 45 minutes. The longer you chill them, the taller they'll be. I mean, you can only get them so cold, but you see what I'm saying. So fast forward and you've got your chili boy, right? Now we need to talk about scooping. Scooping is very, very important here. Upon further research, I found on their website that their cookies typically average around 6 ounces in size. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a 6-ounce cookie ball. And you want these balls to be tall. I know this sounds weird, but I found that a Vorath 4-ounce stainless steel disher works really well if you stuff it in there really nicely. I'll have a link in the description for that if you want to use that. If you don't have a scale, whatever, do what you want to do. But get nice balls, okay? Then just arrange them onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper. I had 6 here. I'd recommend doing 4 on each tray just to have extra room. If you want these to be extra tall, I would recommend refrigerating them for 25 more minutes. I did not, and
Okay,
you'll see
so
the minor
you will
consequences.
refrigerate
Next,
first.
you're going to place them into an oven set to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius, yes, very hot, for 10 to
Then you
13
bake.
minutes or until lightly browned on the outside. You want the inside to be a little bit underdone. That's the goal here. And so here they are. Here's a
I
little
was
side
turning
by
it
side just for
over.
comparison. I think we did pretty good here, guys. You know, considering we got this on the first try, and they're pretty darn close. I would say they're about 85 to 90% of the way there in terms of similarity. But do you want to know what is 100% of the way there? B-roll.
Wow. That's this kind of juicy right there. This is actually juicy and to be, this kind of soup
Alright
right
guys,
there.
and that is it. So, I feel pretty good about this. I don't think that they were perfect. I think they could have been a little bit taller. And I think if you wanted them taller, you just need to chill the dough much longer. I only chilled mine for about 30 or 45 minutes. Again, thank you so much to Andrew, aka Benching with Babish. Everybody calls him Babish. Yeah, Brad Leone calls him Babby. Hey, Brad Leone, if you're watching, kiss, kiss. Love you. Hit me up. That was a ton of fun. Babish and I have been talking for a while, and I've hinted at it a bunch. Everybody kind of already figured it out pretty early on, so thanks for that. I'm also doing a collaboration on his channel. There will be a bread video over there. Like I said earlier, be sure to go check that out. There will be a link in the description. But with all that said, if you enjoyed this video or you learned something, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you.
Alright guys, so I'll be
next time. Also, don't
expecting
forget to
your
subscribe to Babish too. He's in the freaking description, bro. Go get that.
get out. Alright guys, so I'll be expecting your request also in my comment section. So just feel free to drop me the beautiful comments of where you're watching from and your kind of video you want me to bring right here on this channel. I'll get back to you in less than 24 hours. Alright, get you on other videos and stay blessed.